We talk football SA. Kaizer Chiefs 0. Golden Arrows 1. MTN 8. Kaizer Chiefs is out. Golden Arrows is continuing. Mfowethu.
Ubhekindlovu from Bushbuck.
Igama uthini?
Ubhekindlovu from Bushbuck.
Yes.
Into ikhona.
Yeah.
Into ikhona. Ngijabulile ngento sidlale ngayo namhlanje.
Yes.
Just a blunder and a mistake from our goalkeeper. But
Made a mistake.
He made a mistake. But into izozama manje. Coach yethu la manje ku Chiefs.
Yeah.
Abanikeza nabafana abanikeza ama chance.
Yeah.
Uliki iyo sifunayo.
Yes.
Out on MTA. There's still more to come.
Yes.
Because enkhuluma kuningi.
Yes.
Watch the football.
Yes.
Coming. Spread about.
Yes.
Because
on Polo Moy.
yabo.
Siyabonga. Yeah. Okay.
Today's mistake was from the coach. First, the lineup here, exchange.
Yeah.
And then the second thing, Unwabo was not ready for this game.
Yeah.
At least he was pick up.
Yes.
And then the third thing, Bogum too. He was injured, so who called some Chanda, but I couldn't pick us up.
Yeah.
We said that. And then inkinga esinayo manje ukuthi sothini kumabhakaniya sothini ebantwini kodwa bathekisa ngathi
Yeah.
amen
Siyabonga Khosi.